my friends, it's your old pal Jordan the Lion. How are you all doing today? Great! We're back in Florida because, as you know, I love these immersive art experiences like Meow Wolf, and apparently there's one in St. Petersburg at the Fairgrounds that they were promoting about a month ago and saying that you had to have a ticket in advance and a lot of the dates were sold out. So I booked one way back then and our date is later today, so we have to get into town and go explore this. Daze with Jordan the Lion begins now. And thank you very much for the welcome, Florida. Good to see you again. I'm in James Stadium, New York Yankees, George Steinbrenner Field. You can see the water over there. Holy cow, massive, massive rainstorm. Here it is, Fairgrounds. So I think this is just called Fairgrounds, St. Petersburg. I don't think this is actually the Fairgrounds. They're doing a immersive art display here about like the history of Florida. Okay, this is different. As soon as you walk in, Mermaid Star Motel sign and this crazy winding road. Oh yeah, this is totally like Meow Wolf. Thank you. Whoa, look at that. We're gonna check this out. Can't wait to wander through this place. I just wandered into the front desk of the Mermaid Star Hotel. And it's very interactive. You can wander through all the drawers and everything. See all kinds of stuff. I want to kind of try and keep it to like an experience or storage of water as though you were coming to it yourself. But it's never truly as good on camera as it is in person, so if you come to St. Petersburg, you want to come to this and see it in person. It's already super cool. Wow. I love this kind of stuff. Oh, cool. This is a total trip out. There's so many rooms to wander through. I love that on the second floor, these are all like rotating images. Let's walk into this room with the giant cake. Oh my god, that looks amazing. That strawberry cake. The schnozberries taste like schnozberries. Look at that happy face.
Basically, this is how you know this is what you need to do. You need advice that you need to take some of these home, and then put them out, and then put them in your next picnic, and then see who tries to eat it.
Look, they even hung clouds from the ceiling for the effect. This glowing strawberry wonderland over here. Then strawberry chair that you can sit in into the little picnic. Take yourself away for a little while to a country picnic. Let's see what's in this room. Whoa, look at that mouth. Whoa. These look like these are all the bathrooms. Let's see. Oh, no, there's a room down here. James Brown, Chuck Berry, Jimi Hendrix. If you're in the mood to have a drink, here's your bar. Flamingo margarita. Alright, I said we were going to go back the way we came, but I think this is the gift shop, so we'll check this out in a little bit. Because I saw this, check this out. Whoa! The room of lamps. Holy cow. It's mesmerizing. I love stuff like this. You know me. Anytime I can take a break from reality, I'm in. This is the room that we saw when we first walked in through the window. They have a phone, but no receiver. Look at the eye in there. Whoa. Because there's the receiver right there. It's part of the lamp. More the restorative water. And there's the slice of cake that we saw earlier, missing out of the heart. All right, let's wander through another room. We were already there. We came from here originally, and I promised we'd go back, so. Just out of curiosity, since we're by the bathroom, let's check it out. Okay. Big orange. Nothing too trippy in here. But I see some hands coming out of the walls in here. This is back to our friend the alligator. That's a very cool photo op. You can stand in here. In fact, we'll do that real quick. Whoa! So now we can either walk through his mouth or go in one of these other rooms. I think let's go through the mouth and see where that goes. Okay. A room of little aquariums of art. You can see they have a flamingo theme here. Love this place. I'm so cool. I love this place. I'm so glad there's another place like this. I've been to the other ones so far that are open, except for the Denver Hotel. I keep saying it's like Meow Wolf. It's not done by the same people, It's just that same style of immersive art where you can see, check that out, how cool is that? All those little wire alligators and things in there. I love this kind of stuff, just wonderful. I mean, that looks like Elvis off to the left of the pink alligator. Look over there, it looks like Elvis is on a date. Look at some of the ones over here. It's like the lights are out and you can see the motel sign up here. And that's the motel we started in, the Mermaid Star Motel. These are great. Look at all those flamingos in there. Seeing these little models kind of reminds me of Beetlejuice. Look, it crashed. And we're gonna leave this room and head into this next room, which has another seashell theme. The whole wall is starfish and seashells and mermaid tails and eyeballs. And for some reason, wigs and a makeup chest. And look, it's sunken down in. The treasure's in there. There's a tiara on display of some sort. What a crazy wheel. This one also. And you can actually see through. So now let's go through his mouth again and take the other path that we haven't taken, which would be straight through. We've been here. What is this? Oh, it's like skeet shooting or something. Let's see, bird watching? What is this? Okay, I see a bulldozer. Now all of a sudden, there's a light that's moving around. Let's see what it's doing. Oh, is this like killing the rainforest or something? I'm not sure. All right, that one's over my head. Oh, look at this. Whoa. Been in here yet. We saw this in the center of the room when we came in. It's like a big ice cream with like a substation inside. Watch out, panther crossing. sides, they're just windows that you can see out into the whole experience. But I'm guessing there's some buttons over here you can push. We'll check it out when we get over there. See what's over here though. You always gotta mess with the buttons because you never know what they'll do. See? Like maybe one of them will light up this thing, who knows? Oh, they light up as you touch them, almost like Simon. Whenever you move the sliders, something different happens. Somebody disassembled this car. Well, let's go on in. A lot easier to get into this way. Isn't that funny? No wheels, it's just like completely disassembled. Cooler. I feel like I'm in like Spaceballs. Even literature to read. The Florida Atlas. Oh, there are the tires. Let's see what we've missed. Oh, the ice machine. That's kind of one of the things they're missing here that Meow Wolf does. There's always like kind of one little thing like that where you can like crawl inside of and it takes you into a little portal. I don't think that's the case here, but we'll wander around the plants and find out. And I haven't been in that room over there yet either. When you put your hand in, it makes a sound device. Let's go check this out. All right, our turn. Oh, that's cool. Wow. You're like under the city. Wow, that is so cool. I actually never would have guessed that'd be probably one of my favorite things in this whole place. That was great. This whole place is awesome. Not quite as elaborate as Meow Wolf, but it's great. Because Meow Wolf has slides and all that stuff, but they have done a fantastic job here. I can't recommend it enough. And this lounge is just perfect to come in, chill out, take in the Florida scenery. And we'll go check out the gift shop when we're done too. I'm just gonna hang out here for a little bit, see how this changes. definitely getting some Florida changes here in the weather. I just noticed that we have another room that we haven't went into. We went into the lamp room, we went into the strawberry room, but we didn't go into this one. This one somehow eluded us. This is the dragon room. Really cool. Look at that. If your head wasn't spinning before now, it is now, right? Walls. Wow, this is incredible. Very cool. No kidding, my head was totally spinning in there. In a good way. Now let's check out the Souvenir Shop. Oh, very cool. Some of the exhibits that they had inside of there, you can buy some of the stuff in here. Check out the umbrellas. And I love all the flamingo imagery, especially with all the eyes, because I'm a fan of both of those things anyway. Very cool. Very cool place. And that is their motto: art for all, play for all, joy for all. And then in there is the art lab. That's where they come up with new ideas. And in this hallway, if you notice inside the designs, you've got all kinds of cool stuff. Like there's an alien and a spaceship. But it actually says up there, Fairgrounds, Motel, Florida. Wait a minute, what's this? I didn't see this. When I went into the motel room right there, I didn't go down this way. What's this? Oh, it's a different way into the, oh, that's cool. Yeah, we were in here, but I didn't see any of these TVs over here when we came in. There was a different way in to this room. Remember when we came in here? Well, Miss Mermaid, I think that's going to do it for us for today. What a great time. I loved it. Well, my friends, thank you all for watching from St. Petersburg, Florida. If you want to come check this out, it's called Fairgrounds St. Pete. This was awesome. Have a great night. Goodbye.